Around the world, the power of flavor. At the heart of food taste lies the power of flavor. Blend of sweet, sour, butter, and sensation of across the tastes leave a tasting from the delicious balance of herbs and spices to the richness of flavor. One of the greatest aspects of food taste is ability to reflect the rich of culture, our world. Every tells a story drawing upon countries of traditions to create dishes that are as unique as the communities that produce them from the fragrance of sweet the different countries different tastes. So taste is a celebration of heritage, identity, and shared experience. The greatness of food taste is further by the boundless creativity of chefs and home cooks alike who transform humble ingredients into works of culture art through experimentation, invitations, and a deep understanding. Flavor profile chefs push the boundaries of ghost creating dishes that surprise, delight, and inspire. To table tea, no bounds, inviting us to explore new tasty and texture with each meal. Emotional connection. Behind the sensory pleasure, food tasty holds and profound emotional connection for many people, evoking memories of family gathering, special occasions, and chef traditions, whether in the aroma of freshly baked bread, comfort home cooked meal, food tasty has the power to transport to us back in time and connect us to the moments and people that matter most. In this way, food tasty becomes more than just sustenance. It becomes a source of comfort and joy. Adventure as we explore the greatness of food tasty from around the world. In the captivating journey, we delve into the rich flavors, vibrant colors, and tantalizing aromas that make food an uncomfortable experience for the sense. Join us, we embark on a exploration like no other. We begin our journey by diving into the deserved world of flavor, sensations from sweet and spicy. We take a tour of global